Today we will show you how to get started with your ECHOMAP Ultra 2 chart plotter. For this video, we will be using an ECHOMAP Ultra 2 126 SV. First, read the warning and select I agree. Scroll through the country or region page and select the appropriate option for your area. Now, select your preferred system language. Ensure store demonstration is turned off. Next, press OK. Select your vessel type. Then, select the time zone for your boat. Select the minimum overhead clearance for your vessel. The minimum overhead clearance setting influences how the chart plotter calculates an auto guidance path. If a selection of an auto guidance path is lower than the minimum overhead clearance, the path will appear as a solid orange line, or a red striped line indicating the route is not safe for the vessel based on the settings selected. Now you will need to download the Active Captain app on your compatible smartphone and pair it to your chart plotter to activate certain features and chart subscriptions. For help with this process, please see the link below. Read and accept the end user license agreement. Now that your chart plotter is set up, we will go over some of the basic functions of your chart plotter. Your chart plotter will initially open to the chart screen. The navigation chart is optimized for navigation. You can plan a course, view map information, and use the chart as a navigational aid. Select the home icon to navigate back to the chart selection screen. The fishing chart provides a detailed view with more bottom detail and fishing content. The 3D chart shows a detailed three-dimensional view from above and behind the boat and provides a visual navigation aid. Preloaded charts or a preloaded chart card is required to see water detail. The ECHOMAP Ultra 2 has several different sonar modes. Select Home and then Sonar. The sonar mode available to you will rely on the capabilities of the connected transducer. Select Traditional Sonar. Traditional Sonar shows a full screen image of the sonar readings from the transducer. The range scale along the right side of the screen shows the depth of detected objects as the screen scrolls from right to left. Then select Home and then Sonar to get back to the sonar view selection. Flasher sonar view shows sonar information on a circular depth scale, indicating what is beneath your boat. It is organized as a ring that starts at the top and progresses clockwise. Depth is indicated by the scale inside the ring. Garmin ClearView high-frequency sonar provides a detailed picture of the fishing environment around the boat and a detailed representation of structures the boat is passing over. The Garmin ClearView scanning sonar technology emits a beam similar to the shape of a copy machine. This provides a clear picture-like image of what is beneath the boat. To receive Garmin ClearView scanning sonar, you need a compatible transducer. For more information about compatible transducers, follow the on-screen link. Side view scanning sonar technology shows you a picture of what lies to the sides of the boat. You can use this as a search tool to find structures and fish. Instead of a more common conical beam, the side view transducer uses a flat beam to scan the water. Not all models provide built-in Garmin side view sonar support. If your model does not provide built-in side view sonar, you need a compatible sounder module and compatible side view transducer. The split frequency sonar view displays the two sides of the screen, showing a full graph of sonar data on different frequencies. The split frequency sonar view requires the use of a dual frequency transducer. The ECHOMAP Ultra 2 allows you to utilize combination screens. Select Home and then Combo. You will have access to preloaded combination screens. Select Home and then Vessel to access your ECHOMAP's vessel pages. A new chart plotter without connected devices will have 4 options under Vessel, Active Captain page, Vessel page, Trip page, and InReach page. You will see other pages appear depending on the devices connected to your chart plotter or in simulator mode. For example, you would see a media page appear if a compatible Fusion stereo is connected. This is also the section for engine gauge pages if you have your compatible engines connected. The Active Captain page is used to help set up your system with the Active Captain app. This page can be used to check the connectivity status of the app and your smart devices. The Vessel page is used to view vessel information such as connected gauges or sensors, GPS position, and more. The information available on this page relies heavily on connected sensors or gauges. Only GPS data, like speed, heading, and position, will be available without connected equipment. The Trip page is where you can view recent trip information, such as the total trip time, odometer, and max speed. The ECHOMAP Ultra 2 has two different sets of settings available to adjust. Select Home, and then Settings to access the chart plotter's system settings. System settings affect the entire chart plotter. This is where you can set unit preferences, vessel alarms, communication networks, and access software information. You also have options for each individual page. Navigate back to the navigation chart. Press the three dots in the lower right corner to access the page-specific options. You can customize these settings to have the chart show your desired information while navigating. Each page also has its own options to further customize the way you view your information. There are two buttons at the bottom of every page on both the right and left of the Home button. Selecting Mark on any page will create a waypoint at your current location. You can then see the waypoint information and can change the name and symbol of the waypoint. Selecting the Where To button on any page will access the navigation features. The navigation features allows you to manage user data and view your waypoints, routes, and tracks. Navigation features also includes pertinent information like local services. The alert symbol to the right of Where To is shown when there are no active alerts or warnings to resolve. This symbol will change to a warning symbol if there is an active alert or warning to view. The color of the icon will also change to indicate the severity of the alert or warning. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.